What is up, guys? You're going to say today I'm back with another video, and I'm breaking my mom on the disrespectful prank today. So let me set up the crumble right now.
One of the people tripped and fell over something, which required him to stop doing what he had been doing.
Now,
According to the specialists, the leader will be back on his feet at some
act
point.
like I'm being mean and stuff, and let's go into her room and go set it up. I'll see you guys later. I got it here. Yeah, so I got her.
Let me see the video.
I got her. And make sure you subscribe and like. And shout out to... Oh, I don't know who to shout out. Well, I'm just going to say shout out to Sasha, because she's on YouTube too. So make sure you get her on YouTube. Bye, guys. Bye, lovely people. Bye, everybody. I love you guys.